Need help with an order, refund, or account issue? In this video, I'll show you how to contact Amazon customer service and chat with a support representative. So, let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Contact Customer Service. Here, you'll see a list of common issues related to orders, deliveries, returns, payments, and account settings. Select the category that best matches your issue. Next, follow the on-screen prompts and answer the questions about your problem. If the suggested solutions don't resolve your issue, look for the I need more help option. Now, tap on Start Chatting Now button. A chat window will open where you can type your message and explain your issue to Amazon customer service. And that's it. You now know how to contact Amazon customer service and chat with a support representative through the Amazon app.